A somber version of the Marine hymn as a fallen hero is laid to rest. Today, the funeral and military burial for Marine Staff Sergeant Taylor Hoover of Utah took place in Arlington, Virginia. It's the highest honor a fallen Marine can receive.
Fox 13's Aaron Cox has been in touch with the family since we learned of Staff Sergeant Hoover's death in August.
She was the only Utah reporter in Arlington, Virginia today as the family said their final goodbyes before laying the U.S. Marine to rest.
Speaking with Staff Sergeant Taylor Hoover's father, Darren, he says the focus today was all about honoring his son, his hero. He declined to interview with us, but he invited us to speak with Attorney General Sean Reyes, who spent this weekend with the family and Darren. Raising Old Glory above the entryway of the Arlington National Cemetery.
Seeing the roads lined for blocks with police cars, with fire trucks, with civilians honking their horns or flashing their lights, standing at attention with their hands over their hearts.
A hero's welcome home, a final resting place for Staff Sergeant Taylor Hoover.
People who, like Staff Sergeant Taylor Hoover, pay the ultimate price, in my book, are heroes.
The 31-year-old was on his third deployment to Afghanistan. He was leading a group of U.S. service members, helping evacuate women and children at the Kabul International Airport. Sergeant Hoover was fulfilling a dream to serve our country, something he was motivated to do at the age of 11.
For many of his men, it was their first taste of combat, and he was keeping them focused. He was making sure that they knew that he was there for them, that they had the ammunition he needed. He didn't need to be doing that. That's the amazing thing. He was rushing up and down to lift others, and because of that, he didn't see, as I've been told, the incoming suicide bomber and lost his life.
A solemn sacrifice, honored in the hallowed ground of heroes past. Sergeant Hoover's final dignified transfer complete.
Caring for others first, making sure that they were living up to their duty, that they had what they needed and were empowered to do their jobs. That's the Taylor Hoover that many of us didn't know before, but have come to know now and are better for it.
Darren says he will be spending tomorrow with his girls visiting monuments and memorials before returning back to the Beehive State. In Arlington, Virginia, Aaron Cox, Fox 13 News, Utah.